Welcome to Designace 2013. I am Yuvraj, Application Engineer from SIM Technologies Private Limited. Thank you very much for watching our webcast. The agenda of this webcast is to educate you on Designace 2013 participation. Go to www.bwir-designace.com and click more info on themes. Take a look at these 8 topics. Out of these 8 topics, you have to choose one topic. Procedure for registration. Go to www.bwir-designace.com. Click on Register tab and fill up an application form. Your team can consist only 2 members. Once registered, you will get a unique registration code. Please use this code in all your correspondence with BWIR. Go to Guidelines. To take a deep look and you will get all details and rules about this competition. Now I will demonstrate you a sample project for your better understanding about the competition. The topic I have chosen is reducing energy consumption for the products we use in day-to-day life. The concept of my model is to convert the relative air for charging the battery while traveling. So I am going to design the outer casing, propeller, PCB board, dynamo and USB connector. Now I brief you how I have designed these components. I have used the commands like sketch, extrude, bossa, base, extruded cut, fillet and deleted page for creating the outer shell of this component. The dynamo and PCB can be designed manually or available for download as a 3D model in 3dcontentcentral.com. We can search the components here. So based on your requirement, you can select any of these components and click here for download. Now I am assembling all these components. The next step is to apply a motion study. Let's consider wind rotates the propeller. And once it starts rotating, it is able to generate a watt. Now you can see the motion of the propeller along with the graph. I have already applied materials to each component, so I can able to calculate the mass of the entire assembly. And finally generating 2D drafting for manufacturing purpose, including bill of materials, documentation part. In the guidelines provided by BWIR website, it is mentioned that you have to send the complete model. That includes your CAD model, drawings using SolidWorks, design calculations, simulation and brief write-up on the concept or mechanism behind the design. Brief write-up on the concept or mechanism means you have to explain the mechanism of your model. Now I will demonstrate mine. My agenda is to convert wind power for charging the battery. I have used the relative air as a source of energy for my product. The relative air is the propeller blade of the fan and it makes the fan to rotate. Once the fan starts rotating, the fan is coupled with a dynamo through a shaft, so it will also rotate. Once the dynamo starts rotating, it will produce a flux and thus produce electricity. This will be taken to the battery through a PCB board. It will monitor the incoming volt produced by the dynamo and helps to store in a battery. The battery is then connected to USB port, so the mobile phone or any accessories can be charged through USB. You may also add any design calculations to this document. Points to remember. Manufacturability of design to be checked. Take my model as an example. The outer casing that I designed cannot be manufactured if it is a plastic component. So I am splitting these components into two pieces. Which makes manufacturing easy. Availability of ready-made or standard components to be checked. Aesthetic of the design. Thanks for spending your valuable time with me. I hope this session helps you to get a better picture about the Designace competition. Contact SIMTEK or visit www.simtek.in for any clarification. All the best.